People should realize that this is just and I think this is something to be proud of. And my mom has always told us that she never felt the gap from having a son. So I think people in India should realize that girls can do everything and more than a boy can.
And you and your sister Karina are a complete example of that. Whenever you meet with these girls together, and I've had the privilege of knowing them personally as well, you understand the strength of a woman being her country and both of them. The fact that families make such a big difference, the upbringing that you put into your children makes such a big difference. Do you think that is something that would make a difference in the country?
Definitely, I think education is most important, not only for the girl child, but even for the parents. The parents need to be educated and realize this fact that both children are equal and we must treat our children and the girl child equally. So it is about education. It stems from educated.
To be a woman and be a game
You have to
changer.
have courage of your convictions. And that's why I want to tell all the young girls out there that study well, stay strong, and always believe in yourself because you can achieve anything any man can.
I have to ask you the family, the role that the family plays. And of course, there is a family as I define as well as well as important. What's the family dynamic that really works in changing attitudes?
I think, like you said, it's all about educating people around you. I think it's about us encouraging our children. There's no difference between, my son and my daughter today. It's not that, ye kar sakta hai, ye to nahi kar sakti. That kind of mind space should not be there. We should treat our children as equal when they grow up that way.
So you raise your children, that's what you're teaching.
Yes, absolutely. There's no difference between a boy. For me as a mother today in this country, I would be equally worried for my son as my daughter. Let me put it the other way. That safety is a huge concern, and I think basically what's been happening, like you said, I don't want to take it from my mom, that as young mothers today in India, it has traumatized them. I keep discussing standing outside a school or at a birthday party, and it's so scary for us as parents. But yes, safety would be equal for a girl and a boy.
We should have working for women, but we also have to be practical and understanding where we're living, the kind of society that we're living in. I don't think I would be comfortable letting my cousins or my sisters, come back alone in a cab and I'm not. And that is not because we have raised them different from boys, but that is because that's the society that
That's
we
the
live
way we,
in.
yeah,
That is
that's
the
the way we live.
you have to play with, you empower them, and definitely with my mom doesn't let me go out without my security and my driver if I'm coming back at night, if I'm coming back from shooting. So what we treating your kids and giving them equal opportunities, but right now under the circumstances of the country that we're living in, till that is taken care of, till lawlessness is erased or eradicated somehow, and fear is brought into people who will be punished for the fact that they treat women badly. Until that happens, we have to take care of ourselves.
Before I came in and whenever an actor comes to an event, you prepare something, you write something down, what is the stage will make sense. But I think this is such a topic that I feel so deeply about that I just want to speak from the heart. And I think we've been really messing it up in our country, especially. India is known as a land of culture and respect. But I think in the last couple of years, last decade, what I've seen at least, we've not really been doing it really well. We really need to start taking our women better. We really need to start treating the girls better, start respecting them. And it starts right from the school level, when you're in junior KG, higher KG, when you're in school or college. And especially boys, you need to get it in their head, And it really angers me genuinely. Why are we so thick? Why can't you understand that, this is a girl, you need to treat her in a certain way. It's not a boy that you go push her, you go tease her. There's a certain way of behaving with a lady. You behave as a gentleman. And I have also, I've behaved immature with girls when I was in school. I've been rough with them at times as well, by playing sport or something like that. But what you need to realize is that after that, you don't apologize to the girl. You won't tell them, sorry, I didn't mean that. Sorry. So that the girl also realizes that you're not actually trying to behave fresh. But right now, the mindset has become very negative, and I think each and every boy sitting here or sitting at home, every man in the village or the city, we need to work together and we need to change this.
But, you know, you being a boy here and somebody who represents young India, we are one of the youngest countries in the world. About, you know, I don't know the exact numbers, but 60% of our population is under like 40. And that's huge. So, एक लड़का होने के नाते, you know, you see a lot of stories that we are talking about, जहाँ पे, you know, sex determination की वजह से you find out that, you know, you have a girl child and she's killed before she's born, after she's born. We just had a story a little bit earlier where somebody had given his 2-3-month-old daughter rat poison to kill her because he wanted to have boy, he wanted to have boy, much out and all those bizarre theories. So as a guy, the basic right to live.
सबसे बड़े एग्जाम्पल्स तो याद है प्रियंका चोपड़ा और रश्मि और आई थिंक यू शुड रियलाइज दैट बेटा हुआ तो मतलब इसका मतलब कि फैमिली की तरक्की होगी ऐसा आएगा घर में ये सब बकवास बातें हैं look at you from where to where you born from there and look at Lolo. I don't know since I was a kid. I've seen her on set when she was probably 17 or 18. I've seen her 17 or 18 and what she was doing at 17 or 18 I don't know. She was working so damn hard at that age, working with all the older heroes or whatever, people who are much older than her and hearing those bad words, whatever the line working, everything, but she was there, she was stronger than her